I'm playing Slime Rancher because Slime Rancher 2 because I like it and there's slimes. Yeah. After a long day of slime ranching, Beatrix LaVoo was enjoying a cool glass of carrot juice as she watched the sun set across the slime sea. Suddenly, a boat arrived at her dock with nothing inside but a mysterious slimer. You have explored the far, far range, from the dusty shores of the dry reef to the furthest reaches of the perilous glass desert. But there are worlds yet uncharted, Beatrix LaVoo. Rainbow Island awaits you. Climb aboard if you're ready for a new adventure. Beatrix excitedly boarded the boat and it took her across the slime sea. Eventually she saw an island unlike anything on the far, far range. Mountains, trees, and grasses, all in an array of colors that danced and moved like a dream. As she explored, she found an abandoned conservatory overlooking the rest of the island. Curiously, it was equipped with everything a slime rancher like her would ever need to rainbow slimes. Start a farm and build gadgets. And so a new adventure begins. Beatrix tightened her boots, readied her backpack, and set out to explore Rainbow Island and uncover its mysteries. Now I have to move. Yay. Jump. Neo. Get over here. Is that all? No. I need all of them. That's all. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can count. Hey yo. I need to get all the chickens. Can I make it? No. I hit. You're not buying. You have to get back here. You're not running away. It hits like the button where you buy stuff. Scanning for chickens. I don't see any chickens. Buy a chicken coop. Alright, get all the chickens. Or should I buy a farm? I'm gonna buy a garden. The chicken coops are way more expensive with all their upgrades. More slimes. I don't think I need any more though. Carrots. Oh, chicken! Oh, I'm going carrots. I'll go home. Yeehaw! How did I miss that, dude? I have a new message. I am currently going to grow more pogo fruit. So I have less of that. That means there's a lot of carrots outside. But not a lot of pogo fruit. I should save some carrots. And pogo fruit. I think I gave them enough. Oh yeah. No chickens. So that takes up a spot. The chicken cute. Blow up and turn some food in there. It's okay. Oh, I don't want a chicken. No. Yeah. Oh yeah. Forgot what I was doing. I need to sell this. Okay. I am going to read the message. That's Victor. Hello? Hello? Beatrix, do you read me? Testing, testing. Perhaps you are lost at sea, taken away by that mysterious boat, never to be. Oops, nope. Just forgot to turn the display on. Nice to see your face again, Beatrix. I have missed you greatly, my dear friend. And while I'm quite excited for you to partake in the new adventure, I already have data that might complicate things. Last night I received a message from some sort of artificial intelligence program. It's written in code, but not one I recognize. I'm in the process of analyzing it. But I am certain that this message was sent from where you are now, the mysterious Rainbow Island. So to recap, a mysterious boat takes you to a mysterious island, and I receive a mysterious code from said mysterious island. It all seems quite curious. Well, I've got to work to do, and you best get to exploring. Oh, I almost forgot. Take this home portal. It should make the early stages of your journey easier. Yay. Take care, Beatrix. We'll be in touch. Okay, he gave me a yellow return home portal. So I should place that when I'm far away somewhere. And I need to go home. And I'm far away. And then a convenient spot that if I'm far away there again, I can easily go to. Not like in the middle of a cave where I had to do a bunch of parkour to get to it. Oh my goodness, that's what I mean to do. No, you ate it all. How dare you. Oh my goodness, it was the mom. Okay, whatever, I'll find one and feed it to take care of myself. Give me that. Yes. That's all I need. Just this one. But I could just get all four. Do you want carrot? You want carrot? Carrot? Okay. I got 4 because I have 4 pink slimes. And now I can feed it to them. And they turn into largos. Or whatever. Can I make the shot? Nope. I missed. make it from here though? Yeah. What should I do? Hey! No escaping. Maybe I shouldn't have done that. Now they can escape, but all their food's in here. They would just come right back. Oh no, this... Whatever. It's fine. That costs a bit more money than I have. I have an idea. I'm just gonna go out and feed the random slimes food. And then they'll give me money, pretty much. Take that carrot, you can have that carrot. But you know what? All the carrots. Just eat like a gazillion. Then I'll take all your foods. Yes. More food? Yes. Eat as much food as he wants. And there's no bunny slimes around here to eat those parts. Plus this is just money. Anyone else hungry? Yes. There's one more carrot. And what's the last carrot? Okay, never mind. There's 2 more carrots. And what's this carrot? You want that carrot? Okay. And there. That's all the food I have on me. No one escaped. Okay. Can I make this shot? No, tiny bit higher. No, not quite. Yes. I did it. I made it. Why is there carrots? That makes no sense. Take the carrot. Oh, that's a lot of forks. Okay, anyways. Now... This is cheaper. You guys cannot escape. Still have to manually pick up your forks though, which is annoying since you're so big. Is that all? I think so. Okay. I still have one more. Okay. What should I do now? These are ready. Get out of this. What are those? Oh wait, I was gonna say, what are those bunnies' favorite food and go check. But I've never sucked one up, so I don't know. It doesn't tell me until I've sucked it up and learned. It just tells me as soon as I get one. So it's like an entry. Or have I? I think I have. Slimepedia, slimes. Yeah, I have the water lettuce. Okay. Don't think that's near us. That's in here. Oh, there's the map. Perfect. No. Cool. Whatever, you guys can do that. Yay. Now I can see there. Oh yeah, I'm full. It's just a refinery link right here. Not right now. I think when I get back home, that'll be probably the end of the video. Oh, there's this big guy. Yes. Needs like 30 probably. I fit it 26. Okay, that should be enough. Is it right here? Yes. 1, 2, 3, and then... Oh, yep, 30. Whee! Big arms. Bonk. Okay, no. Okay. Those. But now there's a geyser. Whee! I can go up here now. What's this? Oh my goodness. What is that? Stay away. Yeah. I think I'm gonna end the video now on a cliffhanger. Yeah. Okay, bye-bye. That's the end. Tell me if you like this. Yeah. Yeah.